Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video I will be making this mini Snowdrop moon Suncatcher. If you would also like to make this moon, you can purchase the pattern from my Etsy. I'll put the link down below. And just to make a note, this pattern does require a saw, but if you don't have a saw, you could always add an additional brake line. Really the only place I needed a saw was. So I picked out my glass. I have this dark sparkly aventurine from Bullseye. I've got some white model from Oceana, some wispy from Spectrum, and just some plain white Oceanside for the petals. So I'm going with a really classic colorway. So let's get tracing. So sometimes I have a really hard time cutting this white mottled glass. It likes to break unpredictably, so we'll see how this goes. So I got the score to start, so now I'm going to, I don't like using the tapping method, but I'm going to try to finish running the score with it. Cutting glass makes me so nervous. I don't know why. Okay, it worked. That's a good thing. Now I just need to, okay. So, yeah, that's from biting, but that's why I try to cut as close to the inside of the marker line, but especially with this glass, I don't get too close because when you pull, sometimes it takes more than you want. Okay, not gonna lie, that was a little nerve-wracking, but I did it. Obviously, gotta clean up these jagged edges with the grinder, and then this part I'm going to use my ring saw to cut out. Now it's time to foil these pieces. This particular one is going to be left silver, so I'm going to use silver-backed foil. Now I'm going to be hand beading the edges, so I want to use 1/4 inch foil on the outside because I want a nice thick bead. So I'm going to be using multiple foil widths on the same piece. So for example, on this piece, I'm going to put a strip of 1/4 inch foil on this edge, and then the inside edge, I'm going to use 7/32 foil because I don't want my interior solder lines to be too thick, especially around these really delicate petals, which for the petals I use 3/16 foil. So I'm going to be using 3 different foil widths on this project. Now, after I clean the piece off with the flux remover, I like to immediately go over the lines with a magic eraser just to make sure it's extra clean before I wax it. And the edge beading turned out pretty well. Now I'll let this dry completely before I put on the polishing wax. Since I'm leaving this piece silver, I'm going to polish with the Glass Pro stained glass polish. So with this one, you really want to buff the lines up while the wax is wet, and that'll help you get really shiny solder lines.